Hello, myself Vishal Samudre. Today we are going to discuss the decision theory. In performing various functions like planning, organizing, controlling, coordinating, etc., a manager has to take several decisions. Therefore, decision theory is important. Next point, decision making. It is a process for selecting from set of alternative course of action which best meets the objective of decision problem making process. First one, decision maker. Decision maker is an individual or a group of individual who makes the decision. Second point, course of action or strategies. These are the various options available to the decision maker for solving the problem. Example, minimum inventory to be stocked for a sale of a commodity in a given period of time. Thus, we may have S1 strategy for stocking 15 units and S2 strategy for stocking 20 units. Third point, state of nature or outcomes. These are the events which indicate the occurrence which are not under the decision maker's control and which determine the level of success for a given strategy. Next point, payoff. Each combination of course of action and state of nature is associated with payoff, or it is called the conditional payoff, which indicate the net gain to the decision maker for that combination. Next point, payoff table. It lists a set of payoffs for the given strategy along with all states of nature that are manually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. Next point, decision model. Decision model is the process concerned with making optimal choice from a given set of alternatives. There are four types. First, decision making under certainty. Second, decision making under uncertainty. Third, decision making under risk. And fourth, decision making under conflict. In the above types, we are going to discuss or we are going to solve the problems related to the decision making under uncertainty and decision making under risk. Now, decision making under uncertainty. Decision making under uncertainty, there are 7 criteria comes. First one, max-min criteria. Second, minimax criteria. Third, maximax criteria. Fourth, minimin criteria. Fifth, Hurwitz alpha criteria. Sixth, Laplace criteria. And seventh, minimax regret criteria. Next, decision making under risk. There are 3 criteria. First, expected monetary value criteria. Second, expected value with perfect information. Third, value of perfect information. These are the criteria comes under the decision making under risk. Now we are going to solve the first criteria under the decision making under uncertainties, maximin criteria. In that there are 3 steps. Write down the minimum payoff or for each strategy. Second, identify the maximum payoff among these minimum payoffs. Step 3, the strategy corresponding to the maximum payoff is the optimal strategy. Now, there are these, this is the example. This is the example. Now, maximum criteria. First, we are going to divide or break the word maximum. First, max, and second, min. That is first and that is sixth. Second, In this we are going to see the minimum of each strategy. First there is -3, second there is 4, third there is 6, fourth there is 2. From this minimum we are going to see the maximum, that is the 6. We call this maximin. According to maximin criteria, A3 strategy is the optimal strategy for maximin criteria. Now we are going to solve the second criteria, that is minimax criteria. In the minimax criteria, we again divide the word minimax. First, that is minimum, mini, and second, that is max. This is second, this is first. According to that, maximum for each strategy we can find. First strategy, that is 10, for second 9, for third 15, and for fourth, that is 10. In that we are going to see the minimum, that is 9, which we called the minimax. Therefore we call the, according to minimax criteria, A2 strategy is the optimal strategy.